Okay. Hello, everybody. My name is Danita. I'm the owner of Solo One Boutique. So today I'm going to show you how to make these ribbon earrings with a wooden disc. And in the description box, I'm gonna give you guys everything that you would need to accomplish this cute little earring for today. So what you're gonna need these canvas pieces. You can get these from, I usually get mine from Hobby Lobby. So you're gonna need these, and of course you can see that they're $1.59. And then you're gonna need a lighter, your fish hook. You're gonna need these different sizes in your jump rings. Scissors, I got two different kind of scissors because one I use strictly for cutting the canvas, the plastic canvas, and then I have these ones here that I cut like my fabric, my ribbon. So you're also gonna need, something to close and open your fish hook and your jump rings. And the ribbon I also get from Hobby Lobby. You guys know you can get the 30% off. So this is what this is. I usually use 1/4, the 1/4 inch. But this is the 3/8 inch ribbon. It's black. So that's this part around here. And also this is the canvas under here also. And I got some Gorilla Glue. And then I have this here. Usually this is like a tracer or something like that, but I use it to poke the hole to get the jump rings in there. So usually like the jump rings I also get from Hobby Lobby. You can accomplish these sizes there also. You can get all these at Hobby Lobby or wherever you choose to get, you know, all your products from there. And we're just gonna get started. So what you're gonna need your canvas, right? So take my scissors and I'm going to see you have different sizes holes. So I'm gonna start here and I'm gonna just cut a little. You can see I'm gonna cut and I'm gonna snap these off. Just go around and I'm gonna show you at the end how I get this. If you guys can see, I'm staying focused and stay in the camera as much as possible. If you guys have any questions, you guys definitely can ask me. Yes, I am new to YouTube, and I just decided today that I'm gonna, get over my fears of getting showing you guys these different things because I always had the fear of. So this is what it looked like. This is exactly what it looks like because when you cut this out, this is gonna go in between. This is this part here. So you're gonna cut two of these out. You see how this is flimsy, like kinda. So you cut a second one out. Cut your second piece out. Again, cut around. Making sure that you guys try and stay as close as possible. Try not to, cut into that last row. So here, go around, round, round, round. So now you got your second piece. You keep these because you can use these for other sizes. Like once you learn how to, do the ribbon. So then you got this. You got two pieces. So you got two. See, two pieces. You want now you're gonna get your ribbon. You're gonna pull. I say take about maybe 35 inches. I'm just gonna wing it and just even if you take more than you're cool because you can always if you're too short on it, you can always add on to it. So what you're gonna do is stick this. You got your two pieces, and what you're gonna do is stick it in between these two pieces here like this. Stick it in between, and what you're gonna do is overlap, and you're gonna do this all the way around, overlapping, and trying to keep it as don't pull it tight enough where it's gonna not lift up like that, but you want it tight, okay? So you're gonna do that all the way around, wrap, pull kind of tight, all the way around this, all the way around this, all the way around, okay? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this around, all wrapped around, and I'm gonna come back to you guys and finish off the rest. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm almost to close to the end of getting finished wrapping this all the way around, so I'm going to come back so we can go to the next step. wrapping the plastic canvas. So this is your border, of course, around the earring. So I usually, because this is what was our starting point here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna overlap it a couple times like this. Okay. So then I'll hold it tight. Now I'll get the Gorilla Glue. The Gorilla Glue. And what I do, let it come down, come on down, come on. So I'll put a dab right in here. I'll put a dab in there, right? So then I take this and I pull it like I'm gonna wrap it around again, but I don't go all the way wrapping around. So I'll do it like that and I'll hold it. Then I'll get the lighter, right? I get my lighter and what I'm gonna do is just burn this. And it's not really hot to the touch. I'm so used to doing this, you guys. So it's not hot to the touch. So now what it is, it's attached there. So now I just take, these are the scissors I usually use, like I said, for ribbon and fabric. And I'll just snip that off, right? So this is what you have here. This. So then I'll take my lighter again. And what I want to do is I want to burn the edges down. And try not to leave it on there too long because you guys will burn through the and I through the ribbon. So what I do is I take my fingernail and just make sure that it's not lifting so that it don't come loose. So it's not lifting. Perfect. So now what I do, I flip this and make sure that this is on the bottom side. So you really can't tell. And I'm always making sure I get that last piece. I always make sure it's right on the edge of here so you can't see it on either side. So then I take this and now I get my little tool here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wing it and see. I can make sure I can get it in the middle here. Make a hole, right? You guys can use anything just to make the hole here, like this, right? So you can't really see it, but I have a hole. There's a hole in there. There's a hole right here. Is where I put my hole at, right in there. So now what I do is I take this jump ring here. See it? I'll take this jump ring and I'll get my little pliers here and I will open the jump ring like so. Then I'll put that jump ring right in here. Put the jump ring. There's the jump ring right there. It's in there. So then what I do, now I'll take these two little jump rings, just these ones. I'll take this one and I'll do it like, I'll open it, open, take my disc because it's two-sided, pictures on both sides. You don't have to have the picture on both sides, but I like it because if the earring happens, like, you turn, earrings turn around and all that good stuff. So I take the second jump ring, same size, and I'll put it here, close this one off, close it, like so. And you got that? You got two on there. Now just take this, flip that on there. Now you got this here. See? You got that. Then I'll take the fish hook. You got your fish hook. And usually sometimes you can have the fish hook turned to the side. This one is facing the front. So this is why I have this jump ring, this little teeny weeny jump ring, because you got this part here going this way. So you don't want these two to go on the same. Oops, sorry. You don't want these two. You don't want this jump ring here going the same direction as your fish hook. You want them to go in opposite direction. So since the fish hook is going the same way, take this little um, jump ring here. I'll open it. I'll put it on here. So now I'll put it on here. Sorry, guys. Put it on here. Now it's going in separate directions. Now it's going to the side. So now I'll put this jump ring right on there, and I'll close it up. Close it right back up. That's it. Then I'll just, turn it, and there, bam. Now you got this jump. You got an earring set, and now you just don't have just the disc. You got both the earring sets. You got both your earrings here. And then like this is kind of like you can adjust this because it will sometimes be like this, but you can just fix it. It's flimsy and it's very lightweight. It keeps your earrings lightweight. And that was my thing of, trying to find earrings where it's going to be lightweight on your ears and not pull on your ears and, pull your earlobes apart, and it could be comfortable throughout the day. So you could use these and do these like with, this canvas you could use with anything. With the ribbon you could put anything. You could make anything you want with this. You don't necessarily have to use these discs. I done used wire. I used a lot of things. So if you guys want to know um, exactly what I use, I'll show it in the description box below, or you can even email me. And if you don't want to make the earrings, you guys can also go to my website, which is solo1.com. It's spelled SOHLOH, the number one.com. And you can also follow me on my Instagram, my TikTok, and my Facebook. And that's it. I'll be back again to show you guys exactly, some other earrings that I make too. Because right now, like these discs here, I'm gonna start actually doing sublimation and doing my disc myself, where I can put, images of people on, all that good stuff. So this is how you guys accomplish this. If you have any questions, please, just hit me up on the description box, leave me a message, and I can try and walk you through it. If you have any questions, let me know. All right. Thank you. Have a great day.